So it looks like springtime is already here in the New England area. The weather's starting to get nicer. We've changed the clocks. The days are longer. For us, it's a little bit different. There's a time when all of us here know that it seems like the faucet just gets turned on and we just get busier. Our sales definitely go up in the springtime. People will ask, well, gee, that's kind of funny. Why are you busier in the spring than you might be in other months? But really, it makes a lot of sense if you think about it. Here in New England, January and February, I consider them our hibernation months. It's cold and dreary. We have some snow days where you don't want to come out and go shopping. But in April, that's when it really starts to pick up. Whether it's people that have summer homes on the coast of Maine or the lakes of Maine, same with New Hampshire, the seacoast or the lakes there. We do a fair amount of mattresses to bed and breakfasts and small hotels. In general, people start coming out of their hibernation mode of the first couple of months and are buying mattresses. All of a sudden, one day or 1 week, we just look at each other and say, yep, the faucet's been turned on. It all comes together. The guys in the factory know that it's busier and they can see how many mattresses they're making every day. When we're getting supplies, the truck's a little bit fuller. It takes a little longer to unload them because there's more material on them. And salespeople obviously know because there's more people coming through the stores. And what's great about us here at Portland Mattress Makers is because we're making every mattress and we have total control over what we're doing and how many pieces we're making and when we're making them. As we get busier, it's not a burden for the customer. The customer, it's seamless for them. They don't know whether it's our busiest month of the year or our slowest month of the year. We're still going to provide the same timelines, the same customer service, and the same quality mattresses that we always do.